Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen. I am so happy to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is another purchase from Ulta.com. And this is the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty. So it comes in a nice little star like that. I'm going to lay it on its side just to make it a little bit easier. Maybe I can lift it up a little bit like that. And we'll just open up each package here. And this was $18 on the website, on the Ulta website. So in number one, which we have right here, number one, we have an Ulta Beauty brow pencil. And I'm assuming that's in brown. So that's number one. We'll just put them back in the box. So that's number one. Number two, which is number two. I like doing these. These seemed, I ordered a few from Ulta and they just seem to take forever to get here. And this is an eyeliner. And I'm assuming this is in black. So that's in the number two. Which I kind of figured these products were all going to be small because of the size of it. So we'll put that back. And number three is a bigger box. Maybe we'll just have to lay this flat. Knocking everything all off here. Okay, we'll just leave that. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Okay, so we have number three. We'll see what's in number three. And in number three, we have a chubby eye crown. And that is like a, doesn't really give you the color, but I'm assuming that's definitely a brown. Okay, so that's number three. I might just leave these out because it might be a little hard to get them back in. Okay, so then we have number four. These are really fun to open on Christmas Day. I would never be able to open one day at a time. So in here, okay, we have an Ulta Beauty Gel Bounce Eyeshadow. And this doesn't give you the color. So let's see if this is sealed or if we can open it. Okay. So this is the color. It's pretty. I don't want to swatch any of these, just in case, you know, if somebody wanted some of these. This way I'm keeping all this stuff. So that's 3, 4. So then we'll get number 5 out. These are just very tight in here. Okay. So then we have number 5. Number 5 we have, and this is Ulta Beauty, and this is a shimmer blush. You know, decent size. I mean, I wouldn't expect them to be, you know, a full size. So that's pretty. That's sort of like a peachy color. Up close, I thought it was pink at first, but it's more peachy. So that's color. I like peach blush. So that's number 5. Let's see if we can get number 6 out without. Okay, I think the rest will be easier. So this is number 6. Number 6 is, and this is a cream eyeshadow. I don't know why this camera is not wanting to focus. Okay, and that's nice. That's a, once again, no colors, but that's sort of almost like a coppery coppery color. You know, sample size, which is nice. So that's number 6. And that's number 5. So we have number 7 now. 7 is right here. So that's number 7. Have these open right here. Oh, that's tiny. And this is a matte liquid lipstick. A matte. I don't know if I said MAC or not. Matte liquid lipstick. Why is that not focusing? Once again, no color, but that's all in neutral. That's pretty. So maybe I can put these back. 7. So then here's number 8. Let's open number 8. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. These are highlighting drops. Maybe up against this, so we'll focus. Highlighting drops. And that's definitely in like a gold. So that's pretty. So we'll put that back. So that's number 8. Number 9 is right here. Let's open this up. And this is a loose highlighter. Maybe I have to get them to focus by doing that. And that is, let me see if this is a color, has a color on it. No, but this looks like it's a, like almost like a gold color. I don't know if you can see that, like a gold. So that's nice, a highlighting powder. Let's see if we can get that back in there. So that's number 9, right? Number 9. Number 10 is right here. Let's get this open. And number 10, I would assume, is a mascara. I don't want to open this. Oh no, it's a lipstick. Wow, I thought that might have been a mascara. So that's a lipstick. Here, maybe up against the white. So that's a pretty color. Let's see how much product you actually get. That's all the product that you... Oh no, it goes way up. So there's the amount that you get. So that's a good amount. Wow, I thought that might have been a mascara. That's a lipstick. That's nice. Matte lipstick. So that's number 10. Number 11. Let's see what we got here. One of these has got to be a mascara, I would think. And here we have another... Oh, so this is a glitter lip topper. I don't know, that's not gonna... I don't know what is going on with this camera, that it is not focusing no matter what. And that's like more like a bronzy color. So that's number 11. And then the last day, the 12th day. This is the 12th day of beauty. Number 12. Let's see here, we'll open it here. 12 is... Oh, that's pretty. Number 12 is a glitter eye top coat. Wow, that's really pretty. That is definitely glitter. You can see the glitter all over it, so there it is. Maybe put it in front of the box to get it to... Wow, that is really pretty. That'd be nice for the holidays, for New Year's. Let's get that back in the box. Okay, so that is my 12 days of Christmas here from Ulta Beauty. And like I said, this was $18. I don't believe it is on their website any longer. I did try to look at these before I started the video to see if they were still available. This one is not. This actually took almost a full week and a half, 2 weeks to get here, and that's a little bit long for Ulta. I guess maybe with all the holiday madness for shipping, took a little bit longer. So this is my video for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.